Okay, now let's look at the 5 characters. The first one, 你, you. The part on the left, you already know, it's a person. The part on the right, that's a little bit more complicated. This is also an independent character, 儿, which means you. It was used in classical Chinese to mean you. In modern Chinese, you is 你. So the whole character is pronounced as 你, means you. Like 你好, how are you? Hello. Now let's move to the second one. 请 means please. The part on the left is a speech radical, means you have something to say. The one on the right indicates the pronunciation, 请. So the whole character is pronounced as 请, please. 请, please. Okay. Now we move on. The next one, 姓. You already know this, means woman. Sorry, this is not very good. Let me erase this part. Make it a little longer. Okay, that looks better. Now, so the one on the left is 女. The one on the right is another character, 生. When you put these two together, it's pronounced as 姓. 姓. We use this to introduce someone's last name. For example, 我姓韩. My last name is Han. Okay, now let's move to the next character. You will see this 女 again. And on the right, this is a character you already know. 子, child. Woman on the left, a child on the right. Together, this character is pronounced as 好, means good. 你好. Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's try the last one. Okay. Now, this is a character means door. It's pronounced as 门. So this part actually indicates the pronunciation of this character. Now inside, you know this box means mouth, 口. So when we put these two together, this forms a new character, 问. 问. 问 means to ask. Now, remember 请, the one we just saw previously. 请 means please. So if you put 请 before 问, 请问, that means excuse me when you try to ask a favor from someone or when you try to ask a question. you should always start with 请问 and followed by your question or your requirement or the request. Okay, that's all for today.